Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to turn off the always-on display wallpaper on your iPhone. Are you finding that the always-on display wallpaper is draining your battery, or just prefer a cleaner look? Well, you've come to the right place. This guide will walk you through the super simple steps to disable that wallpaper and have just a black screen for your always-on display. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks. We cover everything from basic settings to advanced features, so you don't want to miss out. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's that gray gear icon you probably see every day. Tap on it. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option. Tap on that. Now within the Display and Brightness settings, look for Always On Display. It should be fairly close to the top. Tap on Always On Display. Here, you'll see a few options. The one we're interested in is called Show Wallpaper. It's a toggle switch. By default, it's probably turned on, which is why you're seeing your wallpaper on the Always On display. To turn it off, simply tap the toggle switch next to Show Wallpaper. It should turn gray, indicating that it's now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Always On Display wallpaper. Now when your iPhone goes into Always On Display mode, you'll see a clean black screen instead of your wallpaper. Quick recap: Settings, Display and Brightness, Always On Display, Toggle OFF Show Wallpaper. If you changed your mind, you can always turn it back on by following the same steps and toggling the switch back to green. So there you have it. A super quick and easy way to customize your Always On display. Thanks for watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or if there are any other iPhone features you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.